Hey everyone, it's really bright today, so I need to wear my sunglasses because I can hardly see anything. But I'm already halfway Poniente here in Benidorm. Today I'm going to visit a spot where I've never been before. To be exact, you can see it right on top over there, on top of the mountain on the left. It's between La Cala and Poniente. And I believe there are some large ancient buildings up there, ancient ruins, which I really want to check out. Looks really cool. I've never been there, walked past it quite a lot. On the side of the hill towards La Cala or towards the Grand Bali Hotel, but never been up there, so I really want to check it out. I think you got a magnificent view from up there of the whole skyline of Poniente with all the large towers that are behind there stretching all along the coastline. So come on with me. So it is really windy today, at least at this area. The beach doesn't look the busiest. I know Levante Beach is much more busy always. Poniente is a bit calmer. It's also more stretched out, more wider it is, longer. And I don't know about La Cala, but I want to check it out afterwards. After I've been up there, I also want to check out La Cala, how that beach is doing today. Is it any busy down there? Weather's excellent. It's around 28 degrees, perfect for a little trip, little stroll around. But the building up there, the ruins up there are quite high up. They're 100 meters high up in the sky, so it is quite a climb. And the road towards there, it's all one direction, and I believe it's quite hard to navigate, so we're going to find out how we're going to get up there. Okay, so can't go here towards the right. So right now we are down there. I have to get up there somewhere. This is a dead end. I think I have to go all the way back then. All the way back towards, I believe, around there, then head towards the left. As I said, it's quite windy. I had the yellow flag out. Fortunately, you can see quite some waves at this area. Love the skyline, really do. Okay, let's get back, else I'm thinking I'm never gonna get there. You can see, by the way, how clear the sky is around Benidorm itself. Back there along the mountains, that is where the clouds are. We can take a left up here, so let's do that then. Let's hope this gets me towards the correct road where I need to go. As I've said, it's a little bit of a maze because it's all one direction only. And there's just one road that leads up towards there, and if you take one too early, you have to get all the way around again. I think this leads up towards the Grand Bali. From there on we should get there. Going for a left. There are all kinds of bars down here and really need to check those out someday. Streets are very small. There's another sign this way. I would have to take a left for walking, but I'm not in the mood for walking, so I'm going to check out how I can get there on an easy way. Okay, I'm already at La Cala, but I need to get back up again. Really steep. I think it's dead. I've got to go walking from here. And we've made it. We're up there. There are a few cars. It was quite a climb, but it was really steep and really narrow if you want to get through here. It's both directions as well. So I don't think if you're comfortable driving up, I wouldn't recommend it. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos where I go exploring everything, please do give it a like. Really appreciate that, and promote it more on YouTube. Helps me a lot. Okay, let's have a walk around. This is the first thing we see. Small kind of church, looks like. But we're not at the top yet, but the view is amazing already. Check this out, it's really cool. You can see all of Benidorm until the back of the Rincon area. All the way towards up front. Behind the mountains, you can see the theme park up there. In between. Can even see Finestrat with all their newly built villas and everything they have down there. Can't see La Cala yet, but I think once we get up the hill, which is all the way up there on the top, you can get up towards there, I believe. I think from there on we can see La Cala and maybe even more. The entrance gate, and it's free to enter. It's open between 9 and 8. So quite long opening hours, really cool. It's free to enter, you can explore a bit. But it is quite a hike and it is really calm. I think I got this place to myself today. Oh, this is really cool. You can see all those walls up here. So I did a little bit of research. It seems to be an old fortress from the Roman Empire. It's 2,000 years old. And since about 10 years it is accessible to visit like this. And I believe there's even a small pool up there, but I don't know where it's a community pool from the buildings that are down there. But that would have been really strange, as it's really a hike up there. Okay, so here is the stairway towards the pool, and it says private property for the residents. So I think it's a community pool. A bit unfortunate, but it would have been really cool to have a secret swimming pool up here. At least you have, if you live down there. I'm not the only one. Lots and lots of seagulls are up here. And down here should be that pool, the community pool. Look at it, really cool. There we got the Iceland in the distance. I've never been there. Might do a trip once, but I think it's too expensive. I believe it's 24 euros, and then what do you have over there? A restaurant? Can't see that much of La Cala. I did expect more. Well, we'll visit it afterwards, don't worry. Also, I want to go towards the tower up there someday. Seems really cool. And behind the mountain, there's a small area where it is legal to fly a drone without all the hard stuff of filling in forms and everything that aren't the easiest in Spain, so might give that a go up there then someday. But today, as I said, it's really windy and lots of seagulls, and those things don't work out for drones. Okay, I'm gonna head down. Then we're going towards La Cala. I'm gonna visit that place over there. Down there, the bay in the middle. Can't see how busy it is there, but I'm really curious, as Poniente is much quieter than the Levante is, but that is much smaller. So I'm gonna check it out. Okay, let's head downhill. This is much easier, of course, but it's very narrow. Only seeing that now, they have that traffic light for this really narrow area. And because it's all one direction only, I have to get, I think, all the way around again. I am allowed to go up here. I'll have to wait. And just like that, we're down again. I think I'm gonna park up there on the left. There is, by the way, the bus number 2. It's stopping just behind the roundabout. From there on, it's really easy to get here or to return towards Benidorm for just a few euros. Sightseeing bus, yes, I think it comes here too then. And the first thing we're greeted with is that abandoned hotel that has never been finished. Really a shame, it's just right up here on the beachfront. Beach itself, it's pretty quiet, it's really windy out here. A yellow flag as well. We just came from all the way up there, up on top. That is where we just came from. So I already saw the bit down there, how busy it was. It was quite nice. Not gonna do a drink by myself up there. I think I'm just gonna pop in the supermarket, get a can of soda up there, just for a quick refresh. But first I'm gonna walk a bit towards here, see what they have over there. I saw they have a small path down there along the beach where I wanna go first, on the edge of the right side. Then I'm gonna go back past the bar that's over there, Aloha Playa. I believe it has been rebranded, it was something different first. Got a small seafood restaurant up here. And here is that path I was talking about. Some guys are fishing down there. And the sea, it isn't the bluest and everything up here in the corner, but of course that is due to the wind. If you head down towards the beginning part of it, there it is, very clear. All the seaweed and a bit more sand is going towards this direction. Good thing it ain't that busy. I'm gonna head in towards the supermarket, gonna grab a quick drink and relax a bit down here. Let me know, by the way, in the comments, have you ever visited La Cala or the place I went up there with the ruins? Let me know, I really appreciate that, how many of you guys would do visit this place during your trip to Benidorm. And if you have some other recommendations for me to go, or which I really need to check out, then please let me know as well. As I said, here is the roundabout, and just on the opposite are 2 bus stations, one for arriving, one for leaving. Bus comes around every 15 to 20 minutes, I believe. But I'm heading towards the supermarket, which is right next door. Right at the beginning, some cold drinks. I think I'm going for a nice Monster to keep the energy going. Hola, buenas. Gracias. I'm gonna enjoy my drink here nicely in the sun. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more and you haven't subscribed yet, then please do so. It helps me growing greatly over here on YouTube. Do give it a like, and want to see another video? Check right up here.